Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. Friends, this is a daily chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see that after touching the highs of $4.878 on November 2018, we have seen natural gas futures to start moving downward, and this downward journey continued till the natural gas futures touched the lows of $2.016 on August 5th, 2019. Friends, this is my downward trading zone where I have calculated the downward moves of natural gas futures before making an attempt to conclude the expected advent of an uptrend in natural gas futures. Therefore, I find now the natural gas futures have confirmed that the advent of an uptrend has started since August 27, 2019. As some of my viewers have seen my last videos on natural gas futures, when I pointed out that natural gas futures have found the beginning of an uptrend of this season. Now I have included one more technical tool. This is called Ichimoku clouds, which perfectly predicts the upcoming directional move in any technical chart very much in advance. Here you can see that since the natural gas futures were coming down and came below the Ichimoku clouds, they remained in bearish pressure till they touch the lowest point of this season. Here you can see that it is very important to map the earlier moves before the advent of last uptrend in natural gas futures. Here you can see that after a consolidation from August to September, natural gas futures found good support at the levels of $2.736, from where they started to move upward since September 14, 2018, and this uptrend move became more steeper when the natural gas futures created this gap on November 5th, 2018, and since then here you can see that the natural gas futures touched the highs of $4.914 on November 13, 2018. Therefore, I find that this is the right time today when the natural gas futures have shown the same bounce back during the month of August and September, and where the natural gas futures have found a good base at the 20 days exponential moving average, and once again the natural gas futures have confirmed the advent of another uptrend when they have come above the Ichimoku clouds on September 4th, 2019. Here I find that the continuous attempt of natural gas futures to break the 200 days moving average on the upper side. Therefore, I find that the natural gas futures may try to break the immediate resistance at the level of $2.687 during the first trading session of the upcoming week, where I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.687 will result in the beginning of an uptrend where the natural gas futures may test the levels of $3.136 during the upcoming week. So friends, here I have constructed my expected trading zone for the week of September 15, 2019. For this, I would like to show you this expected trading zone in a 4-hour time frame. So friends, here you can see that the natural gas futures have already attempted to break the 200 days moving average in a 4-hour time frame on August 15, 2019. Since then, the natural gas have attempted once again on August 21st, 2019 to come above the 200 days moving average, but finally the natural gas futures successfully breached this 200 days moving average in a 4-hour time frame on August 28, 2019. And since then, the natural gas futures have been constantly maintaining an uptrend till the levels of $2.641 what they have touched on September 10, 2019. Here I find that the natural gas futures have come in a bullish trend which have started to take its own directional move, and now here I find closing on 13, 2019 looks evident enough for a more upward move in natural gas futures, because the natural gas futures constantly maintaining an uptrend amid this uptrend zone which I have constructed here from this line to this upper end. The natural gas futures look evident enough to take a bouncing move during the upcoming week. So friends, I find that a gap up opening in natural gas futures above the level of $2.688 will confirm the continuity of a bullish trend in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures may find some resistance above this uptrend line, where a steep upward move may find some resistance at the levels of $2.905 before moving more upward, but I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.888 will result in sharp upward moves during the upcoming week, where I find the natural gas futures will find second resistance at the level of $3.123, where a sustainable move in natural gas futures may result in a sharp upward move up to the levels of $3.333. Therefore, I find that the natural gas futures will maintain the current uptrend during the upcoming week, where they will find their immediate resistance at the levels of $2.905, where a sustainable move will in more sharp upward moves, because above this level, where I find that a sustainable move above the levels of $2.905 will result in a short covering rally very shortly during the upcoming week. Therefore, I find that the natural gas futures will test the levels of $3.149 finally before the weekly closing. Therefore, friends, I have constructed my expected trading zone where I would prefer to go long during the upcoming week from the current levels, where I find that any downward move up to the current levels will provide a good opportunity to go long in natural gas futures with a stop loss at the levels of $2.433. I would prefer to go long. Therefore, I find if we have a look at the current position of moving averages, where I find that the current position of 20 days exponential moving average, which is trying to cross over the 20 days moving average, which indicates the continuation of a breakout move on the first trading session of the upcoming week. And here you can see that the 50 days exponential moving average is also trying to come above the 50 days moving average, which indicates the continuation of an uptrend in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures may find a good bounce back from the upper end of the Ichimoku clouds, which will provide strong support to natural gas futures, because the natural gas futures have already been trading above the Ichimoku clouds in a 4-hour time frame. So friends, during the upcoming week, my targets will be up to the levels of $3.143. So friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.